Hello. Hello, everybody. Hello, Dora. You have hay on your face. You have hay on your face. Hello, Mommy. Hi. Hi, Atticus. Hi. Oh, boy. Hi. Okay. So the other day, Lincoln and I were in the Jeep, and the Jeep was parked around the back of the house, and it was snowing really bad, and it was super windy and super foggy. But I drove the Jeep around the back of the house to leave and go get supplies for the storm. And I couldn't see where the road was, so I came down here and I turned, and instead of going straight this way, I misjudged my distance and I went straight into this transformer box for the power. And it was snowing. I couldn't see the box in the Jeep, and I pushed it thinking it was a bush because I was stuck, so I kept pushing it harder and harder until it came out of the ground. And I thought, because I couldn't back up, I was stuck. I was trying to get out. And anyway, I drove right over it and I pushed it out into the middle of the driveway, and it was a big disaster. I cut the power off to my house and some of the other surrounding structures. So it was a big deal, a big mistake. They had to send people out here to work deep into the night to get the power restored. So I feel like an idiot. I did damage to the Jeep. I seriously thought this was a bush and that I would have to drive over it because I couldn't back up. But anyway, I'm really embarrassed, but that's what happened. But everything's okay now. Hi, Lincoln. Yeah.